reaction video. Today we're going to be reacting to literally anything that comes with an assembly instructions by the one and only Calebcity. So yeah, this video came out today. It's about 3 minutes long, and what I said, let's get right into it. Sponsored by Old Spice. Trying to build an IKEA furniture set.
Alright, then I'll catch you. Yup.
Identify the 2 legs A and attach the support bar. That looks like some instructions, like a school assignment or something. Oh, does he have his own merch? That's pretty cool.
Okay, this looks finished. What support frame are they talking about? What?
See, just go off the pictures. That's all you can do is go off the pictures.
Oh, that was step 4.
Or just wing it, and then they have the chair break like 2 weeks into using it.
That's the 2 support bars. You to the support bar. Exactly. Got it. Yeah, I already did that one.
But yeah, I would say just go off the pictures. That's the easiest way, probably. You can just figure it out. Go backwards.
Wires? Is this the same model? I don't have wires. I don't have frames.
This is why we don't use IKEA.
As shown in the diagram. What diagram? Where is it?
That's a bird.
That's a bird. What am I getting from this?
Area from Great Animations.
What am I supposed to see? Man. Step 4. Reach.
Inside of what?
Reach inside.
In what?
Wait, this changed. What happened to the support frame? Wait, this was different earlier. Excuse me? How do I get to this point? This don't look right. No, come on.
That's a map.
So this
And the finished product right there.
This is the same item? Man,
Jumping universes and stuff.
Chair,
Interdimensional shit.
That's it. I ordered a chair, man. I didn't order that, man. I ordered a chair.
This is why we don't use IKEA. What even is that? It's like I don't even know. And I'm not gonna watch the sponsorship. Alright guys, so that was an interesting video. Basically, Calebcity, he was trying to build like an IKEA furniture set, even though it wasn't really from IKEA because, you know, brands and all that. So yeah, he couldn't figure it out. The instructions were like transcending the multiverse and having him build stuff that doesn't even exist. And one of the pages was a bird, one of the pages was like a map or something, so he couldn't even do anything with that. And then on the last page was like the finished product. So yeah, he was just messed up there. He couldn't build anything. But yeah, interesting video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, only if you want to. And I will see you guys next time. Later.